Hirudiculture is the farming of leeches in both natural and artificial environments. The best varieties of leeches for leech farming are Medicinalis and Orientalis. The best kind of leeches are from Russia, Iran, and Azerbaijan. Leech saliva contains more than 100 types of vital nutrients that can cure various diseases. This small and amazing parasite has a special place in medicine due to its extraordinary ability to treat diseases. The life of each leech is up to 10 years. Leeches usually take about a year and a half from cocoon to puberty. It can cocoon for up to 5 years, and the first 3 years have high cocooning ability. Leeches require a clean, freshwater environment to thrive. Typically, they are farmed in tanks or ponds with controlled water conditions, having a space of 30 meters that can hold 2,000 productive leeches. Leech storage pans should not be more than 100 liters because the contamination spreads quickly. Leeches require regular water changes at least weekly to maintain water quality and prevent the buildup of waste. The best pH of water for keeping leeches is 5 to 6. If the TDS in the water test was above 400 ppm, the water is not suitable for breeding leeches. Leeches can withstand temperatures of 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. The best temperature required for leeches breeding is 18 degrees Celsius. Reproduction time. The room temperature should reach 25 to 26 degrees Celsius. Leeches copulate during annual season in the month of March to April. After mating, female leeches lay eggs. It takes approximately 4 to 6 weeks for eggs to hatch under optimal conditions. It is enough to use substrates such as peat soil, moss, algae, aquatic plants for beach construction in breeding leeches. No disinfection of water with salt. They grow faster and breed more effectively when fed regularly. Leeches are carnivorous and they primarily feed on blood. If you're breeding leeches, you can feed them blood directly. Leeches are usually fed from the blood of cows, sheep or frogs every 2 months. Predatory leeches may feed on other invertebrates such as insect larvae, earthworms, snails and other leeches, while parasitic leeches feed on the blood of fishes, birds, amphibians and mammals. Leech farming can be a profitable and sustainable business if done correctly, but it requires a good understanding of the species, environment, and market conditions.